This is an installation video for BMW 2s from 2015 to 2020. Your BMW 2 has 4 holes in which the wind deflector will fit into. Your wind deflector is designed to go into your BMW in under 30 seconds and comes out just as quickly. Your wind deflector can stay in place with the top up or down and comes with a free storage bag if you need the rear seat area to store in the trunk. Start by extending a front and rear bolt and locking it into place by turning the handles down. Then lower the wind deflector into the rear seat area. Lower the wind deflector so that the bolt holes line up. Slide the front bolt forward, turn the handle down, slide the rear bolt forward and turn the handle down, and you're done. Your wind deflector can lay flat and also stores in the trunk when not in use. We provide a free storage bag. We offer a 90-day money-back guarantee and even free return shipping and a 1 year's manufacturer's warranty.